So your boy used to be a day trader. Rewind to 2017, midway through my university degree, I used to trade cryptocurrencies essentially 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I sucked. Now fast forward to today, and with everything that I've learned being a trader and learning about trading, I have to say that I could not think of anything worse than becoming a full-time day trader, and this is why. What's going on? My name is Dillon and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about day trading. So if you've been following along with my YouTube channel, you would know that a lot of the trading strategies that I do review are outside of the world of day trading or lower time frames. So today I am going to be giving my opinion as to why I prefer to stick to the higher time frames. And just two things to note: fish tank kind of flex, and STEMI boy over here, he's getting bigger. So if you're thinking about becoming a trader, or if you're a trader already, then let me ask you the question as to why you started on your pursuit to become a trader. Is it the opportunity to make money in a few minutes of the day? Is it the ability to be your own boss? Is it the competitive nature? Or is it even sitting in front of your computer all day staring at charts? Does that captivate you? For me personally, when I first started off in my trading journey, all of the above is what lured me to becoming a trader. Now, day trading specifically is very unique because you have the opportunity to multiply your money in a very short time frame, because day traders are entering the market so often with relatively quick and short trades. There is a lot of opportunity for you to make money. And I have to admit, in terms of raw percentages, successful day traders do have the upper hand in making money, and lots of money, really fast. However, I do put emphasis on successful, because successful traders are far and few between. We know that it is extremely difficult to be a successful trader, and it often takes years before any trader becomes profitable. And it is this exact reason why I do not day trade. By far the biggest downfall to day trading is the time component of it. And that is something that I personally can't commit to. Juggling a full-time job, a YouTube channel, and just life in general, I personally do not have the time to sit in front of a computer all day to day trade. Even, for example, if it's just for a few hours a day at market open and close, or during the London US cross, it just doesn't fit my schedule. And God forbid trying to trade cryptocurrencies again 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Day trading itself just doesn't fit with my schedule, and I have to assume as well, for a lot of people out there, it might not fit with yours as well, especially when a vast majority of people are probably in the same shoes as mine, maybe minus the YouTube channel. Now, if you're just a few months into your trading journey, what you think you know versus what you actually know are two dramatically different things. The Dunning-Kruger effect illustrates this perfectly, and it's important that you realize this early on. And this is the reason for this whole video, is because a lot of newer traders coming into the game, and that includes myself as well, back when I first started, is we all had the thought of putting everything on hold or quitting everything and jumping straight into becoming a full-time day trader. And that often happens at the very peak of Mount Stupid. And of course, for some, this can be very rewarding. However, for the 99% of you, this could be extremely risky. Imagine having bills to pay, a family to feed, and not only trading your time, but now trading your own money just to become a successful full-time day trader. Trading is hard enough as it is, and adding this new level of complexity makes it very challenging. Imagine having all of this added pressure on you from not only trying to learn how to trade, but then trying to learn how to make money trading. It just makes the whole process more difficult. Now, there is no shortcut to the learning curve when it comes to trading. Everybody goes through the same path, of course some faster than others, but what is certain is that it takes an extremely long amount of time for everybody to go through this process. So if you're just starting out, please do not rush into things. Don't listen to the trading gurus that tell you that uni is a scam, or to invest in yourself and buy one of their courses. Know where you are in the Dunning-Kruger chart, because you have to be at least here plus become a profitable trader before you even start thinking about quitting your job or becoming a full-time day trader. So where does that leave us? Well, if you want to increase your odds at becoming a trader, well, don't day trade. Instead, actually get a full-time job or a part-time job, or just have another source of income other than a trading income. Now, don't think for a second that becoming a full-time day trader will increase the odds and fast track your way to becoming an actual profitable trader, because I have to say, I don't think it will. In fact, it will actually help you become the 99% a lot quicker, because the added pressure of actually having to make money to pay your bills and having an income coming in consistently plays a huge toll on your success when it comes down to being a profitable trader. And we know that learning how to trade is already hard enough as it is. Now, especially if you're just starting out and you have to learn everything from the beginning, there's only so long that you can go without an income or even losing money before you decide to quit anyway. This is why, in my opinion, the main reason why 99% of day traders fail is because majority of them end up jumping into becoming full-time day traders straight away with high expectations that they're gonna make it. Now, this is the exact reason why I personally do not day trade and why I can't advocate anybody to become full-time day traders, particularly straight away, with the exception of one special case. Now, I understand that everybody's circumstances are different, and for the vast majority of people, I'm assuming that you have bills to pay and day trading may not be the best thing for you. However, if I was younger, I didn't go to uni, I was living with my parents and I didn't really have any bills to pay, then I might consider actually starting off my trading journey being a full-time day trader. There's no doubt here that if I really commit to becoming a full-time day trader, that I would probably learn things a lot quicker. And because of these circumstances, I really don't have anything to lose if I decide to go that route. However, just remember that if you do decide to go along this route, you will pick things up a lot quicker. However, it's still going to take time. And again, it's often months, if not years, before people become even slightly profitable. However, if I had to do it all again, and if the circumstances did align to where I had the choice of becoming either a full-time day trader or, for example, going to uni and getting a full-time job, I would have to say that I would choose the job, and this is why. So, as I mentioned before, I am not a day trader and I solely focus on higher time frames and being a swing trader. And the main reason for this is because there's actually less time commitment required when actually trading when using higher time frames. So instead of sitting in front of your computer all day looking at charts and waiting for a signal to come around, instead you can take 30 minutes out of your day to look for signals, taking trades that will typically last for a matter of days, if not weeks. I've even seen trading strategies that are traded off the weekly time frame where you only have to check into your charts once a week. How cool is that? Now, I have to say that this works for me personally, as it gives me plenty of time to actually have a 9-to-5 job and a good source of income, but it also allows me to keep learning about trading, develop my skills as a trader, develop other trading strategies, but also work on other projects on the side, just like this YouTube channel. Now, you may think that day trading will give you the freedom that you want, both in terms of money, but also time. However, in terms of money, it really doesn't, because everything is based on percentages. And if you want to make the most amount of money, the best option typically is to actually have more money in your account. The best way to get more money is to actually get a job, and then from the money that you make from your job, invest that into your actual trading account. Now, in terms of the time component with day trading, it also does not line up. Now, with day trading, especially if you want to trade for the entire market session, if you want to become full-time, you're really just substituting your 9-to-5 job with, well, another 9-to-5 job. And with the trading side of things, you're actually putting on more risk, because now you're not only trading your time for money, but you're also trading your money for money. Now, for me personally, swing trading and having a 9-to-5 job gives me the stability to have money coming in each and every week, because of course we all have bills to pay. So that gives me comfort whilst working on actually trading and this YouTube channel as a side hustle as well. It's not until you're making really good and consistent amount of money through your side hustles that you would actually start to consider moving away from your 9-to-5 and then becoming a full-time trader. However, I have to say, for me personally, I do like the stability, but I also do like my 9-to-5 as well. If I were to quit for whatever reason, I still would not take up full-time day trading, because swing trading will give me the time freedom that I would be after. Just remember that anyone can make more money, but no one can make more time. Which one do you value the most? So if you have decided to take on trading and do it in a matter that you're doing it part-time or doing it as a side hustle, you will still see the 1% of traders that will make it big if they did go full-time. Don't compare yourself to others and stay in your lane, because in my opinion, you are actually giving yourself the best opportunity to actually find success when it comes to trading and not fall into the 99% because of everything that I've outlined today. Yes, it might take a little bit longer for you. However, you are giving yourself the best chance to being where you want to be, and the community thinks the same as well. So if you did like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what type of trader you are, whether you are a day trader or a swing trader, or maybe you might be trading full-time as well. If you like the content and want to see more videos from me, then feel free to subscribe, hit the bell notification buttons as well, so that way you're notified when I do release a new video. So enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading out there, and I will see you in the next one.